What's up, beautiful people? Now, the reason why you clicked on this video is because you want to know how to earn money online without investment. All right, now that is what I'm about to show you in today's video. Now, believe me when I say that you can be able to do this as a student that you are, as a stay-at-home mom, or as a 9-to-5 worker that you are. The only thing you'll be needing in order to get started is just your smartphone and the internet connection. All right, now, should in case you are coming across my channel for the first time, hi, welcome. I create content around online and offline businesses and how you can be able to make money online and offline. So you know what to do, right? Go ahead and click that subscribe button to join this awesome family. When you look at our channel, we discover that we are about hitting 3,000 subscribers now. And how cool is that? Go ahead and join the beautiful family by smashing on that subscribe button, but turn on the bell notification so you always get notified anytime we drop awesome content just like this one you are watching. In a stage of the value you are about to get in today's video, I want you to use just 3 seconds of your time to click the like button of this video. Yes, I'm talking to you watching this video right now. Go ahead now, click the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you're about to get in today's video. Now, with all this being said, let's jump straight into the video. I'm going to take us through some steps which you are going to be following in today's video, right? The first step is to show you how you can be able to get registered with this platform, right? Now, the second step is to show you the things you need to do in order to earn using this particular platform, right? Now, the next thing I'm going to show us is how you can be able to make your withdrawal, which is the most tweeted part of the video, right? One thing is making money online and another thing is being able to withdraw your earnings online, right? Now, with all this being said, let's get started with the video, guys. I'm sure you've subscribed to the channel and you have liked the video, so let's get started, guys. So guys, once you are done with the registration and you have logged into your account, of course this is how your account is going to look like because this is a new account. All right, so we are going to proceed to perform a particular task, or these are the things you need to do in order to earn using this particular platform. Remember, you don't need to invest any single amount. The only thing you need is just your smartphone and the stable internet connection. So we have to proceed to click over here that says tasks in order to see the different tasks we are going to do in order to earn money using this particular platform. So when you look over, you will see that we have various tasks to complete. This particular task is asking us to follow this Twitter account. The second one is asking you to share a video. The third one is asking you to like and comment on my video. The fourth one is asking us to join a WhatsApp group. So when you scroll down, you are going to see a whole lot of different tasks. So when you look over here, you discover that we have other various tasks. When you're complete with this particular one you're seeing on the screen right now, you can actually click here to access more tasks. So I'm going to proceed to perform a particular task in order to earn using this platform. All right, so you can see how you can be able to perform tasks. So let's click at this particular one that says comment on my reel. So once you click on that particular task, it's going to bring you over to this interface. So this is the task instruction. All right, so it says go to the post, comment on the post, comment something relating to the post, do not just comment emojis. All right, so we are going to proceed to click on this particular link over here to take us to that particular post where we are going to make a comment. Okay, so let's go ahead, guys. Click on the link and it's going to redirect us to that particular post. So it's a Instagram post, so we are going to select Instagram and then move over to Instagram. So over here is the particular post that we are supposed to comment on, so we just have to allow it to kind of load small. So we're going to proceed to click on the comment section here and then we're going to comment nice video, I enjoyed watching it. All right, so once we are done with that, just have to click here in order to comment. So once you are done commenting, we just have to go ahead and then screenshot our comment. Okay, boom. So we are going to go back to the platform to complete the task. Okay, so click here. So we're going to click over here in order to upload the screenshot we took. So that is the proof to show that we concluded the task. All right, so I'm going to click on the box here in order to select that particular screenshot. Okay, so let's go ahead, guys. So I've selected the screenshot, boom. So and I've uploaded the screenshot. So over here is my social media handle, the particular social media I use, or the particular Instagram account that I use in performing the task. Okay, so I've already typed in here for confirmation's sake. So once I'm done with that, the next thing I'm going to do is to click over here that says mark complete. Okay, so I'm going to click on mark complete. So once they are done reviewing this particular task that I concluded, they are going to credit my account. Okay, so we're going to still go down again and then select or perform another task. Okay, so this is the instruction of the task. The same thing, go to the post, which is the first one, comment on the post, comment something relating to the post, don't just comment emojis. Okay, so we're just going to proceed to click on the link in order to redirect us to that particular post in question, which is still Instagram. So this is the particular post. All right, so I understand that this person is just kind of doing an advert. All right, so we're just going to proceed to click on the comment to post on or to lay a comment. So I'm going to just say, I love your green dress. Okay, I love your green dress, because it's related to the video. So once we are done, we just have to click on send and then proceed to screenshot our comments. Okay, so we're done screenshotting our comments. So we're going to move over to the platform again. So over here is where we are going to upload our screenshot, which is the proof of us completing the task. Okay, so go ahead to upload the screenshot, which is over here. So we are done selecting the screenshot. So make sure the username of that particular social media account you use in performing that task is typed in here. If it is not here, make sure you type it. So once you are done uploading the screenshot, which is the proof of the task completed, go ahead and click here that says mark complete, and that is all. Okay, so once we are done clicking on mark complete, the admin is going to review our task and then credit our balance. So the next thing I'm going to show us is how you can be able to withdraw your earning, and after that I'm going to show you how you can be able to earn more money using this particular platform instead of completing tasks. All right, so let's proceed with how you can be able to withdraw your earning. So in order to withdraw your earning, you have to click over here that says withdraw. All right, so if this is the first time you are withdrawing from this particular platform, you need to link your account details. So we have to click here that says withdraw. Okay, click on the, but if you have already linked your bank account and you want to edit it, just go ahead and click here that says edit bank info. But we're just trying to link our account for the first time, so I have to click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, this is the interface you're going to see. Click over here in order to see a drop down menu and for you to select your bank name. Okay, so when you look over there or scroll down, you are going to see different banks. So just select your bank, and then once you are done selecting your bank, click here in order to type in your account number. So once you are done typing your account number, go ahead and click over here that says save. Okay, so once you are done with that, type in the amount you would want to withdraw from the particular platform, and then you click on submit. With no time, they are going to credit your bank account. So let's move over to how you can be able to earn more money other than completing tasks using this particular platform. So how you can be able to earn more money from this platform other than completing tasks is here, which is the referral aspect. So they have this referral option that you can be able to refer your friends, and once they get registered with this platform, they are going to give you commission on that particular referral. So once you click over there, you just have to proceed to click here that say copy link. So once you copy the link, you just have to share it with your friends. It could be on WhatsApp, it could be on Instagram, it could be on Facebook. Anyhow, just share your link, and once they get registered, you are going to surely get commission. All right, so guys, this is what I have for us in today's video. I'm sure you enjoyed this video, so do well to click the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you just got in today's video. And if you're yet to join this awesome family, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. We're about hitting 3,000 subscribers, all thanks to you guys. Go ahead and join this awesome family by clicking on the subscription button. All right guys, in order to reveal the name of this platform, I am going to drop the link of this platform for you to get registered in our WhatsApp group. All right, so I'll be leaving the link of the WhatsApp group in the video description or in the comment section of this particular video you are watching. So use the link I'll be keeping there. Click on the link, join our WhatsApp group, and I'll be posting the link to this particular platform over there. Right, you don't need to subscribe on this particular platform before you can be able to start earning. You don't need to pay anything, no investment before you can be able to start earning. All right, so what are you waiting for? Click the link I'll be leaving in the description of this video and also in the comment section to join our WhatsApp group in order to get the link for this particular platform. Keep winning and always know that Leo loves you. And until next time I see you again, comrades, bye.